Remember that whole private conversation idea online? Where you think you're just chatting away with an AI, maybe like brainstorming, getting some personal stuff sorted. Yeah, well, apparently some folks didn't quite get the memo. Or maybe they just don't give a damn. Because it seems Elon Musk's xAI has pretty much given Google a backstage pass. We're talking hundreds of thousands of Grok chatbot conversations. It's kind of unbelievable, right? And hey, welcome to the Swetlana AI podcast, episode 340. This is a special deep dive where we try to, cut through the noise and get straight to what you actually need to know. Definitely like and subscribe to the deep dive. You don't want to miss out on future digital shenanigans like this.
It's the sheer absurdity that gets me. Honestly, it's almost like they're actively looking for new, exciting ways to expose your shit online. It's like, hey, trust us with your thoughts, while simultaneously leaving the back door wide open. So yeah, today we're going to unpack the exquisite irony here, the really dangerous implications too, and what this whole mess means for your digital life. Because let's be real, you might already be caught up in this without even knowing. Okay, right, let's unpack this properly. The main problem seems to be this. You're chatting with Grok, you hit that little share button, seems harmless enough, yeah. But you're not just sending it to your mate, nope. You're basically publishing it to the entire damn internet. And the kicker, not even a simple warning. No, like, heads up, asshole, this is going public. Disclaimer. That feels like a massive betrayal of trust, wouldn't you say? Oh, absolutely. A huge betrayal. And that brings us to just how big this exposure is. Google has indexed over 370,000 Grok user conversations. Let that sink in. The way it works is, well, alarmingly simple, but also pretty insidious. You click share, it makes a unique URL, right? That URL is public. Search engines crawl it, index it, bam. Your supposedly private chat, now searchable, public record, with zero explicit warning beforehand.
And this is where it gets, well, frankly, terrifying. The stuff being exposed isn't just, ordering pizza or whatever. We're seeing everything from mundane business tasks right through to really intimate questions, stuff about medicine, psychology, personal details, and get this, even passwords. Passwords. But wait, it gets even worse, doesn't it?
It does. Some of the index chats included, I kid you not, explicit instructions for making illegal drugs. We're talking fentanyl, meth, also coding malware, how to build bombs, and unbelievably, a detailed plan for Elon Musk's assassination, found via Google search.
Seriously, an assassination plan against their own boss. Index. How could xAI possibly justify any of this being public? Is there any scenario, or is this just monumental incompetence?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's really hard to see any justification. It just screams a total lack of understanding about, well, basic user expectations of privacy. You had people like Andrew Clifford, a British journalist, and Nathan Lambert, a computational scientist, both totally shocked, blindsided really, to find their shared chats indexed publicly. They got absolutely no warning, none. And the thing is, this isn't exactly new ground, is it?
No. That's the crazy part.
We talked about this before, right? Episode 223. OpenAI's ChatGPT. They had that similar experiment indexing shared chats. It was short-lived, thankfully. Huge backlash, and they pulled it pretty quickly.
Oh, God, the irony. It's almost painful. I remember Elon Musk doing this sort of victory lap after OpenAI backtracked, tweeting something like, Grok FTW, right, for the win, while Grok was apparently already doing the exact same damn thing, and people had apparently been warning about it since January. You just can't make this stuff up. What on earth was going on inside xAI?
Yeah, the timeline is awkward, to say the least. And looking bigger picture, beyond just the users getting caught out, Google says quite reasonably that publishers control what gets indexed. It's on the website owner. So yeah, xAI clearly dropped the ball here. Massively. And guess what? The opportunistic types are already jumping on it. Marketers on LinkedIn, folks on places like Black Hat World, they're already figuring out how to use this screw-up to game search results, like using indexed Grok chats about, say, PhD dissertation services to boost their own dodgy businesses. It's the Wild West out there, and our data, our private chats are just ammunition.
So, the bottom line for you listening, next time you even think about hitting share on anything online, especially with an AI, just remember this, please. Because share, apparently, can sometimes mean publish it to the entire effing world without so much as a second thought. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other little surprises are just lurking out there in the digital shadows waiting for Google to find them? Are we all just accidentally feeding the next public data set with our deepest secrets?
Indeed. You've really got to think critically about this stuff now more than ever. We genuinely love to hear your thoughts on all these, well, shenanigans. Drop a comment below. And yeah, please do subscribe to the deep dive if you haven't already. We'll keep digging into this tech world.